Everybody, so we are back today working on the custom off-road trailer that we're building for our road to SEMA. So let's get started. Show you guys what we've done. So we left off last time, we got the floor bolted down, and then this one here, we got some leftover wood and stuff that we've scrounged around and got. So we got the walls up on both sides, as you can see. We got the front up, the front fascia side here, and then we got part of the roof. Now, we are gonna reinforce this roof with some 2x4s so it can hold some weight, because we are gonna be putting a rooftop tent right up here. So we're gonna put some 2x4s here. We're gonna put another 2x4 across here, and then this is actually gonna extend out here, probably about another 2 feet. I'm gonna show you. So it's gonna stick out about a little bit further, 2 feet out from here. That's gonna basically come out, and it's gonna cut up and back, be flat, and it's just gonna be one sheet that goes across there on the top to kind of help support it. And this will be the back kitchen area. This will be the sleeping area. We'll have a window up there for stargazing and looking out. We're gonna have 2 doors on the side and 2 windows to kind of help with some air. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with the roof yet. I think we're gonna do a fantastic fan to help kind of bring some cool air in with the windows open and go from there. So some of this is gonna be some dead space where we're gonna tuck some wiring, make it look nice. We're gonna do 2x2s across here. Then we're gonna put some nice birch wood on the inside, finish it off so it looks nice. And yeah, it will be a little bit smaller than what we looked at before, but for the most part, I think it'll be good. Like I said, this is mainly for me when I go overland camping, but it will be enough room for us to sleep 2 people in here. So we're gonna be starting to finish up for today, start cleaning up our mess. And we're gonna go get some more wood. I guess I gotta go sell another fighter jet to get it. So what is up, everybody? We are finishing up today, and we have our off-road kind of DIY teardrop kind of trailer. It's not really a teardrop, but it's an off-road custom trailer. So we got this here. Basically, we got the CDX boarding on the outside. We got some of the roof done. You can see up here, we're still working on it. We have to go pick up some more lumber. We kind of ran out. So basically, this is just kind of a quick walk around, and we got this here. We're gonna be putting this up to help kind of deflect some of the air up. We'll be putting a fixed window in here. We have a door that's going to be going here with a smaller window here, and we're going to be putting a compartment door here that leads into the side here for the kitchen area. And as you can see, this does sit a little low, but we are going to be getting this lifted up on the suspension, and the bigger wheels will definitely help lift it up. Like I said, we are not done with it yet. I'm still working on trying to figure out where we're going to put some of the 2x4s to help brace the roofing. From some of the time lapse that you guys saw, you know, it's just kind of fly by the seat of our pants and build it the best we can, but we want to make sure it's sturdy. So we are trying to finish that up once we get the rest of the wood tomorrow. We'll be finishing the back part of this up, cutting the hole for the kitchen area, and we will start running wire and getting everything all set up on the inside. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. So we are going to be doing more videos like this on our way to SEMA. Like I said, we are going to be heading out there to visit with one of the sponsors that we picked up, and we're going to be doing our test run on this. We'll be going through the Colorado and some other cool places on our way out there, and we'll be documenting that stuff in November. So make sure you guys follow the channel. We'll see you guys out there. Keep trailing. Peace.